Can you guess these English words? Let's play another flashcard challenge. I'll show you a flashcard. You try to guess it before I flip it. Then we'll say it together and use it in a sentence. Ready? Let's begin. This is a watermelon. I eat watermelon in the summer. Watermelon. This is a lemon. Lemons are sour. These are grapes. I love purple grapes. This is an apple. I eat apples every morning. And these are bananas. Monkeys love bananas. This is a dog. The dog is barking. This is a butterfly. The butterfly is beautiful. This is a sheep. The sheep gives us wool. This is a cow. The cow gives us milk. This is a tiger. A tiger is strong. This is a snake. The snake is long and dangerous. This is a donkey. The donkey carries heavy things. This is a zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. And this is a goat. The goats like to climb. I can fly a kite. I fly my kite in the park. I can sing. I can sing a song. I can dance. I dance to music. I can walk. I walk to school. I can run. I run in the morning. Excellent work today. You learned fruits, animals, and actions. 20 new English words. Remember to say them out loud, use them in your daily life, and watch this video again to practice. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Freestyle American English. See you soon.